Hey, happy birthday. Yeah, that's it. No? Wait, I have to share something. So, yeah, once we were walking with three bottles of breezers. We started breezers, yeah, we were kids then. So, we didn't know how to open it because we didn't have a bottle opener, of course. And this woman, Nikita, had a huge kada. I think she still wears that. And yeah, and that helped us open that bottle. So that was a lot of fun opening it, the whole process. It's difficult though. I was there, Nikita, Pathok, Arjunil, and Ishita. So yeah, that was a lot of fun walking randomly and drinking the breezer. Yeah, that's about it. Happy birthday!
Santo, happy birthday, happy 21st birthday. I'm so sorry I can't be there, but I know Naman is going to make it up for you. Now, I need to share a memory I had with you. There are so many memories we have had, but one that actually comes into my mind is when once your cooler wasn't working and you came to my room and everyone was like, how will you manage in one bed? But we still did. And you have been a friend, a very awesome friend since the day I met you. You know how I was when I came to Deepest Noida. I was very shy. I didn't know how to talk to people, but you were always there for me. You were very sweet to me, and soon I got so attached to you. And that I can't thank you enough for that, for making me feel welcome, for making me feel that it's okay to be a little shy. um, and I don't know what else to say. There are so many things you have done for me. I can't even thank you enough for that. And I'm not going to insult you by thanking you for each and everything because I know you wouldn't like it. I don't know what else to say. Happy birthday once again. I love you. You know that.
It's nice to see the nerdo I know in 8th standard growing up to be such a fine young lady. And you should really thank your friends for all the effort that they've been taking to make your day special. And I'm really bad at this, so I'm just gonna say I hope you had a really nice day. And I'm pretty sure there are more things planned ahead. And a very happy birthday to you. Enjoy. Take care. Bye bye.
हाय हैप्पी बर्थडे सैंटो और मज़े करो आई डोंट नो हाउ योर डेज आर गोइंग और उसके अलावा कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस तुम लोग ग्रेजुएट हो गए इट्स वेरी ऑसम फर्स्ट ईयर में फंसा हूँ यार अभी तक और उसके अलावा लेट्स सी आई विल बी इन दिल्ली मे बी तो होपफुली तुम लोग से मिल पाऊंगा एंड व्हाट्सएप करते रिया करो यार मेरा नंबर है आकांक्षा के पास उसे ले लेना जरा सा एंड उसके अलावा अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे जिनीशंग रिख्वाइला एंड have a great day and a great year ahead. Bye.
Hi, Ice Cream. Wishing you a very happy birthday, my dear. So, Naman told me to share a memory with you. Though there are so many memories, but right now I can remember is on my birthday at DPS Noida. You had brought in that gift, and it was totally unexpected. And then on opening it, what lied inside it was even more unexpected. So on seeing Shahrukh CD, I just didn't know how to react. I just went blank, and on a reflex, I just hugged you so tight, so tight. I just loved it. And then I can also remember when we went to that pub, the way I lifted you, and then everyone was like, "Ooh, utha liya Santo ko." So that's all I can remember. And wishing you a great day ahead. Have a blast. Take care.
There are good things about Sando, and there are like really weird, creepy things about Sando. So we used to go for these outings very often, and Sayantani used to like make every outing so fucking stressful. She used to be like, "Oh my god, that much money! You can't go there. We can't do that. Wear your shoes. Wear your clothes. Hold my hand." Number of people. We were like 4 girls, and she used to do head counting for us. Oh god, thank god I don't have to go for any more outings with her. Just kidding. Happy birthday. Sando is actually a very religious person also. This is something that not many people know about her. She wears a kara on her, I think left or right hand, I'm not sure. But very religious person. She uses that kara to open beer bottles and Bacardi Breezer bottles very often. See, Sando's first words to me were, uh, "Do you have a problem if I change in front of you?" Dude, and when she changed, I fell in love with a woman, man. You know, I just had that whole lesbian thing for miss her, man. Just kidding. Happy birthday, Morty. I love you.
गाली हाय तुम फाइनली 21 साल की हो गई तुम लीगली पी सकती हो not that it made a difference before but still so okay I'm supposed to talk about memories with you which is going to be monumentally disastrous because it involves me and it was talking and everybody knows how that ends so anyway the most stuck memory with you would be a few sleeping मतलब तुम्हें रोज़ सोता देखकर तुम्हें रोज़ पूरे दिन सोता देखने के बाद और कुछ प्रोमिनेंट मेमोरी कैसे हो सकती है सो आई हैव टू से आई एम वेरी प्राउड कि तुम रोज़ उठ के ऑफिस जाती हो इट्स रिमार्केबल आफ्टर 3 years of practice so anyway so well you're the most amazing combination of nice and irritating like it didn't help because well you get motherly and everything but I kind of like that too because at times it comes handy for example you come to help when a person is stuck on the tree and some certain other people are too busy watching Madhubala and they can't come and everything so you come and I love you so yeah so even being motherly works out other than that I don't know okay this is the most difficult thing that I've done in my life and I've practiced so much and now I'm going to kill you if you ever think that you can make me do this again so okay Santo I love you and I actually miss you I really miss you and yeah okay bye happy birthday Nando
Santo, happy birthday. Okay, well, मैं तुम्हारे लिए बहुत एक ना एक फेक ब्रिटिश एक्सेंट में गाना पहले रैप करने वाली थी नहीं तो एक बहुत भयानक सी कविता सुनाने वाली थी बट आई डिसाइडेड अगेंस्ट इट जनहित में जारी सो या एक सिंपल नॉर्मल वीडियो हैप्पी बर्थडे मे दिस ईयर इज वेरी नाइस फॉर यू वैसे भी यू हैव जोमैटो एंड अ वेरी क्यूट बॉयफ्रेंड हु इज मेकिंग अस डू ऑल दिस स्टफ एंड या और क्या भी तुम बहुत ज़्यादा खाना खाओ एंड बिल्कुल ही मोटी ना हो एंड देखो पढ़ना मत भूलना MBA के एग्जाम्स भी देने तुम्हें इस साल और या हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड यस नमन ने हमें एक इंसिडेंट भी शेयर करने को कहा है वेल व्हाट इंसिडेंट या तुम्हारे साथ जो पहला इंसिडेंट आई रिमेंबर इज तुम पड़ी हुई हो अप्रैल फूल्स नाइट यू आर जस्ट लाइंग ऑन द अदर बेड एंड तुम हिले जा रही हो बिकॉज अपेरेंटली तुम्हें कुत्ते ने मुंह पे काट लिया है बिकॉज दैट इज वाई योर फेस इज कवर्ड इन सॉस एंड एवरीथिंग या बट द गुड थिंग वॉज कि तुमने एंड तक अपना कैरेक्टर नहीं छोड़ा डब्बिश ने बोला असीजा उठ गई है बट फिर भी तुम हिलती रही दैट इज वाई आई लव यू सो मच तभी तुम मेरी बिरादरी वाली हो हैप्पी बर्थडे लॉट्स ऑफ लव बाय
Happy birthday. मैं तुम्हारे बर्थडे पे आ नहीं पाऊंगी दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेंडिंग यू लॉट्स ऑफ लव एंड हार्ट्स आई नो तुम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय करने वाले हो प्लीज़ मेरे लिए थोड़ी कम मस्ती कर लेना प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा सोचना मेरे बारे में कि बेचारी डब नहीं आ पाएगी यहाँ पर बेचारी मस्ती नहीं कर पाएगी शायद 2 साल पर वहाँ पर इतनी 3 साल में गई ऑब्वियसली बट स्टिल खैर द फनीस्ट इंसिडेंट विद यू रिमेंबर द टाइम जब मैं तुम्हारी टॉप्स ट्राई कर रही थी टू वेयर देम एज ड्रेसेस and you told me that you'll give them to me when I need them as pregnancy clothes. That was very funny. And और क्या बोलूँ मैं मेरी भावनाओं को समझो मेरा वीडियो इतना अच्छा नहीं होगा बट स्टिल भावना इज मैटर मैंने तुम्हें भेजा था तुम्हें लास्ट टाइम याद है जब तुमने मेमोरीज लिखने के लिए मेरे पीछे सब पड़े थे एंड आई वाज द पर्सन हु रोट देम एट द लास्ट मोमेंट इस टाइम पे भी शायद मेरा वीडियो इज द लास्ट वन शायद नहीं आई एम श्योर माई वीडियो इज द लास्ट वन Okay, please understand your love, okay? Bye, all the best. Please enjoy a lot. Bye.
Hi Santo, happy birthday. Special moment. अच्छा सबसे the first one that comes to my mind is when you said कि आभा तेरी भूटान की ट्रिप के लिए मैं अपनी फर्स्ट सैलरी से लोन दे दूंगी that was so
ऐसा लग रहा है यू रीडिंग रट के आई है स्क्रिप्ट से अच्छा फर्स्ट में मेरी चलो ठीक है
अरे तुमको बताया तो था ना
अच्छा
you just ruined the video
शट अप कैरी ऑन
and बाकी there's so many moments the तेरे को पता लाइक हॉस्टल में व्हेन यू गाइस वेलकम मी, मेरी आरती उतारी, मेरे को टीका जो भी वो टूथपेस्ट लगाया. हाँ यू नो
Toothpaste, I don't know.
हाँ you have no idea. And Goa memories. I was the bodyguard, so I took care of her.
You were the bhand guard.
हाँ I was the vanguard. और इसका और अदिति का मतलब मेरे को ख्याल रखो. But Santo is such a sweetheart. और exam times में there was this one time when some exam and Santo wanted to meet me क्योंकि हम इतने टाइम से मिले नहीं थे. And Santo actually woke up just to meet me. You have no idea. Santo's sleep is very important, and she woke up just to meet me. है ना?
Nice, sweet. Yeah, so sweet.
Yeah.
सीखो कुछ उससे. हाँ. Yeah, I know you came here. I know.
So happy birthday, love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Santo. Happy birthday to you. Yay, happy birthday. Now, I presume that you're 22 years old now. I'm not too sure. Are you? Anyway, 21, 22, doesn't matter. Oh यार, I really miss you guys so much. यार see, मैंने अपने नए रूम को भी पुराने वाले हॉस्टल के इधर पे. Anyway, concentrating on you. A very, 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 very happy birthday, Santo. I miss your birthday. यार, your birthday last year was so much fun. And these guys had worked so hard. I wish we could throw you a similar birthday party इस बार भी, but well. Anyway, not getting into all of that. Have lots of fun and खूब chill करना एकदम. अब तो working woman हो गई हो. I will hopefully meet you somewhere in November. दिल्ली आऊँगी मैं और फिर हम लोग खूब पार्टी करेंगे एकदम तुम्हारे पैसे में. हाँ ओके, तब तक फ्लैट ढूंढ लेना अपना. ऑलराइट, लव यू सो मच, बाय, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Hi Santo, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. I wish हम लोग आज सब लोग साथ में होते. But anyways, have a great day today. अच्छे से enjoy करना, have a blast. और मेमोरीज, हम लोग की तो फर्स्ट ईयर से बहुत सारी मेमोरीज हैं. फर्स्ट डे हम लोग वसुधा को स्नीक इन करके हॉस्टल में लाए थे और हम लोग को फिर फाइन पे करना पड़ गया था 50 रुपीज़, वो भी आफ्टर नेगोशिएशन विद निर्मला मैम. एंड याद है जब हम लोग फर्स्ट ईयर में ITC लैब गए थे, वहाँ पर हम लोग को एप्लीकेशन लिखना पड़ गया था फिर से. तो एनीवेज, हम लोग का बहुत अच्छा कॉलेज लाइफ रहा. एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ वुड माई क्लासेस हैव बीन विदाउट यू. वी डिस्कस्ड एवरीथिंग इन आवर क्लासेस. आई रिमेंबर तुमने अपनी सारी कहानियाँ मुझे क्लासेस में सुनाई हैं कि तुमको टोरा कैसे नाम मिला, तुम्हें निकिता कैसे नाम मिला. इट हैज़ बीन सो मच फन विद यू. एंड फिर उसके बाद क्लासेस में गॉसिप. एंड सेकेंड ईयर ऑफ ऑल हम लोग का लाडली, ओ गॉड, मेरी लाडली और हम लोग की कारीगर जिसको हम लोग 1 रुपये देने वाले हैं फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट आउट रेवेन्यू जो हम लोग को मिलेगा जितने भी बिजनेस प्लान का प्राइज मनी है. बहुत. एंड हम लोग को फिर से मिलना है. वी हैव टू मीट अगेन. आफ्टर ऑल हम लोग को लाडली अपना पूरा करना है और हैव अ अमेजिंग लाइफ अहेड. हम लोग मिलेंगे, we'll meet, we'll make लाडली सक्सेसफुल. एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर Santo and have a great day. Love you so much. Bye.
Hi, my Ladli. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Hope you have a great time. And क्या कहूँ अब तुमसे मैं? You have a really cute smile. So just keep smiling always. And you are a great personality. So just stay as lively as you are. And I'm sure God has planned the best things for you. I really miss you. Hope to see you soon. Love you. Enjoy.
I don't even know it.
Happy birthday to you. Love you.
Okay, I've started the video, folks. Yeah. So, yeah. Say no.
Hi. Happy birthday
To you, yes. Happy birthday
to you.
Santo.
So how's the Manto treating you? And
You are not supposed to be talking about Zomato. Like, it's a birthday. Like, come on, like, wish her.
So where is Zomato taking her?
You're supposed to mention some nice incidents. So
Acha, okay. Okay, I just remember one instance like the Raat ke time when we had stayed
Yeah,
over
I
hostel
remember
में.
when it comes,
Yeah,
yeah.
exactly. And what happened? Salina like.
Ha.
And then I think I offered.
And the lights were off.
I don't know what went down that time between you and. Actually, I don't know.
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. Like Bhakti was.
Ha, she was giving a
Yeah.
I give it to
Shitty Facebook पे चल रही है. This is one of.
No.
Nee, what was I saying? And I think I had like this big green color का kurkure का pack with me, and I offered it
to Santo.
No.
You get a stories like
I gave it to Aditi. Sorry, wrong video. Cut.
Hi Santo.
Hi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Santo.
So, कैसा चल रहा है सब कुछ?
Zomato पे. Are they giving you good discounts? Are they going to take you to a place to eat?
Is it that? So then I think even we should get a discount considering हम लोग अच्छे दोस्त हैं.
हम
और तो
लोग
मेरी एक और दोस्त से मिली थी मैं उससे. हम दोस्त नहीं हैं but still. I mean not you and me.
Okay. Coming back.
Going off track, yeah. Happy birthday, हाँ.
We had like a lot of fun in the hostel, you know.
Yeah,
रात के
that
time.
Vivad night. Yeah.
वो रात.
Haseen.
मस्तानी.
We're talking about.
अच्छी हो तुम and एकदम cute and cuddly teddy bear
हमको ये
जैसी.
सब बोलने का पेमेंट मिल रहा है by the way.
Yeah. I hope जल्दी मिल जाए because I'm going back soon.
So happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Didi. Abhi I'm sitting in your room only and I miss you so much. I see you all around in the hostel hopping about and I love you so much. I remember that जब शुरू में I met you and everything. Oh my God! I just thought you were one of those perfectionist people who will never let anybody else work. But then no, you learned how to give work, to allocate work to everybody else. I'm very proud of you. I bonded with you so differently and I realize all of that when I am here sitting here where probably your bed was. And it's such a nice thing to have a Didi like you. Tata.
Hi Annie, wish you a very happy birthday. I just wanted to say that I love you, and the last 8 months of my life have been so awesome, and I'm eagerly looking forward to many more adventures with you. Love you. Happy birthday.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. It's like you're always stuck in second gear when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
Hello Toraburi. Wish you a very happy birthday from Baban and me. God bless you. Stay blessed. And remember, we are always there for you. Have a lovely day.
Your job's a joke.